Why is your formula returning an error? The text looks perfect, right? But it is full of ghost spaces. This happens when you copy data from websites or PDF files. Let's catch them using the len function. It counts every character. Look, it says 15 characters, but Steve Jobs only has 10. Those 5 invisible spaces at the end will break your reports. Don't delete them manually, one by one. Use the trim function. Equals, trim, select the dirty text. Enter. It is magic. It removes leading spaces, trailing spaces, and extra spaces in the middle. Now let's check the length again. Boom! 10 characters. Clean and accurate.
But be careful. These are still formulas. If you delete the dirty column now, you lose the clean data. We need to lock the results. Select your clean data, copy, right-click, paste special, values only. Now they are real text. You can safely delete the dirty column. Now your database is absolutely clean. Subscribe for more clean data tips.